Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Roland SE-02 synthesizer and you need to do a hard reset to restore the factory default settings on it, otherwise known as a factory reset. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not responding or lagging or not working in any kind of way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you got a whole bunch of settings and configurations that you want to get off of there, instead of manually undoing them, you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can just go ahead and do that in one fell swoop. So it's quite easy to do. So what we're going to do is with the synthesizer turned off, we're going to come in and find the number 1 button on here. And then with the number 1 button on here, we're going to press and hold it as we turn the power on. Now when you do that, the display should display the letters RST. Now, if you want to go forward with it, then you can just, if you want to cancel it, then you can just turn the power off or anything like that, and then I'll actually cancel it. But when you get the RST up here, if you're ready to go, you want to do the manual reset, just keeping in mind once you do this, there's no going back, then we just go and we hit the manual button. And as soon as you hit the manual button, it will confirm it, and then it will go ahead and do the factory reset. And when it's done, it will actually show up here. So don't mess with it while it's doing it. It will say FIN, and that means it's finished. And then just go ahead and turn it off and turn it back on, and you can set it up as a new device.